Hey everyone, so there's an IPO that is going public on July 7th, 2023. I want to review it and analyze this with you here in this video. I'm going to tell you at the end of the video if I think this is a buy or not. And yeah, I feel that I have covered this before, but when I looked into the past videos or tried to search for it, I can't find it. But I don't know, let me know. I feel like I've done a video on this last year. Either way, let's cover this. All right, Chico Holdings, if I pronounce right, Chico Holdings, it's a Chinese company. They filed for a $7.8 million IPO. This company provides a range of construction services in China. It was founded to provide site formation, general building construction, demolition services. It is headed by Mr. Chan Li, who has been with the company since 2021, and it offers foundation and site formation, general building work, and demolition. They've received $2 million so far in debt from investors, so it's not really the greatest of investments that they've received. As of 2021, they had $32.3 million in revenue. Then they went up 87% to $60.7 million, and then 25% higher in 2022 for the first 6 months, 2022. For gross profit loss, 2021, $4.4 million. 2022, $5.9 million. Gross margin, 2021, 13.5%, and then it goes to 9.8% in 2022. Operating profit loss went to 3.7 in 2021, and then 4.6 million in 2022. Net income loss from 3.2 million to 3.7 million in 2022, and their cash flow from operations went from 1.6 million to $661,000 in 2022. They have $2.3 million in cash. They have 24.5 million total liabilities. They have a free cash flow of $4 million. Their market cap is 58 million. Enterprise value is at 56 million. Price to sales is at 0.82. Price to sales is at 0.86. EV to revenue is 0.82. EV to EBITDA 12.9. Earnings per share is positive 26 cents. The operating margin is 6.2%. Net margin is at 5.15%. The float to outstanding shares ratio is at 13.3%. Ticker symbol will be CKHL, 1.7 million shares, $4, available for pre-order right now, going public on July 7th, and the underwriter is Hutton. Now, 1.7 million shares is very small. It's a Chinese IPO. It's going to be available for pre-order. Financials are not great, but the only way I would look at this is for a day one pop and sell, but it's not so comforting that Hutton is the underwriter, although if I remember right, they were also the underwriter for Forza, which actually did good on day one. So overall, I'm leaning towards that this is going to go slightly higher than what the pre-order is on day one, but it is not a hold for longer than that, and it would just be to sell on the first day, and for me that's pretty much it. And I also think that maybe in the after hours it goes up about 10%. It'll go up from the bottom that it ends that day. This is just my opinion. Overall, I think that I will not pre-order this, and I may look for the bottom on day one to sell in the after hours or next day. I might do that. We'll see. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I wish you all the best. Take care.